Good morning and welcome to Moneyline Tips. Today we have 14 odds for you over market. Let's get started. The first game here we have is in Iceland where Starjam is taking on Vikingo and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. Still in Iceland we have a game between HK Kappa Vogel taking on Aferoding. My prediction is over 2.5 goals. The next one we have is in Club Friendly where GK Taichi is taking on record, and my prediction here is over 2.5 goals. Moving on, we have a game here in Finland where Laden Repes is taking on non Javan, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. The next one we have is still in Club Friendly where Tabi FK is taking on Quebec BK, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. If you want to join our VIP and win every day, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Chat me up on WhatsApp. I will add you up, and then we move on. The subscription fee is affordable for everyone to join. Moving on, we have another game here in Club Friendly where FK Crash Corona is taking on IF Lot, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. The last one we have here is in Club Friendly where Clifton Vi is taking on New Saints, and my prediction here is over 2.5 goals. And we have a total of 7 matches, 14 odds. This is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. And if you want to play today VIP game, which I'm giving out for free, go to our YouTube channel and play that game. I will leave the link in the comment section. Also, I'll post the link here on this page. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys after the game.